Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So signing up for Prime Video is simple. You just need an Amazon account and a subscription. Here is exactly how to do it. So first thing first, go to Prime Video, like open the website, primevideo.com, okay, or download the Prime Video app on your phone or smart TV. Make sure it's the official app, okay, before you download it. Click Try Prime or sign up or join Prime here, okay. So if you don't have an account, you have to sign up. So just tap Join Prime. So now here you can sign in if you have already, an account. If you don't have an account, you can just click here, create your Amazon account. Okay, so tap this option. Okay, here. New users often get a free trial. So now on the home page, select Try Prime. Okay, or sign up or create, as I did. Create an Amazon account now. So if you don't already have one, enter your name, your number or email, the password, and click continue. Okay, so this account will be used for both shopping and streaming. Okay, after that you will have to choose a subscription plan. Okay, so select your plan, like monthly subscription, annual subscription, confirm your choice. Pricing may vary by country. The most important thing that you will be asked to add payments method, like enter credit or debit card, okay, or another available payment options, okay, like confirm payments. After that you won't be charged during free trial if offered. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.